speaking of the chilled water valve and the supply fan at the same time, if, for instance, those ramp speeds are ramping too fast or not maintaining their set point very well, we can go into this reports tab and we can go to our set points, and on page 3 we'll find our cool control P gain, supply fan speed P gain. Right now we're set at 1.5, which is pretty slow, so it's going to get there slow, but once it gets there it should hold pretty steady. Now if that value is swinging off of that set point of, say, 55 degrees Fahrenheit, then that adjustment down would slow it down. So if it's swinging too high, then you want to slow it down. Now if it's way too slow, then we want to go up. I would recommend going in 0.5 increments and then let it sit there for a little bit before you make any more changes, maybe 10 minutes, see how it works. Same with the supply fan. I've got the supply fan I got it faster. So now if that does the same thing, starts getting above CFM or not maintaining the low CFM, then slow it down, we back it down on numbers, speed it up, we raise it up.
Okay.
So I've went with the defaults that I've seen in the past that work pretty good.
Okay.
So hopefully you won't need to adjust that.
If I heard hunting of the supply fan, I would make that 4 or 12.
I wouldn't go that far. I would adjust
I don't need to adjust.
increments.
I don't need to adjust this in increments of 4. That's that other number that
Yeah,
was
that
on the
other
biggest.
number is going to divide it automatically,
Oh,
so
I'm
we
sorry.
don't have to
Okay.
adjust two different numbers.
So again, with that, if I hear it hunting, then I would move it to 7.5,
Yes, I'd slow
Okay.
it down.
which is lower number. Okay.
Now, if you're not getting there fast, if it's really slow, I wouldn't be concerned with it getting there slowly. I'd rather it get there slowly, and then once it gets
Yep.
there, it's
Totally
tight.
agree. Yep.
Yeah.
So it's something to just keep in your head and be aware of.
And I think that's why I asked the hunting question. I think
Yeah.
hunting is what usually people get, even if they don't know anything about anything,
Yep.
like me, that doesn't sound like it's controlling well, right?
Right.
Yeah. Okay, good. And we wouldn't actually need that other page. That's that background,
No.
background. Okay.
Yeah, just be in the background in the reports under set points.
Great.